Maraming mga baguhan, napakaraming mga produkto din ng mga reality search yung iba. Bakit kayo kailangang hangaan o i-follow ng mga fans, ng mga, of course yun, alam niyo na. Then second question, sino ang inyong celebrity crush? At pangatlong tanong, sino ang inyong mga iniidolo ng mga artista? Okay.
Who do you want to address your question to, Rose?
Siguro, simula na lang kayo. Ito naka-green. Sorry, hindi ko pa kabisado ang mga pangalan nyo. I go.
Hello po.
Ayan.
Pwede po pakiulit yung
Tanong. Okay. Kasi para isang ano na lang, di ba? Isang unang tanong, bakit kayo kailangan hangaan? Bakit kayo ang dapat hangaan? O i-follow? O
Okay po.
Second, your showbiz crush. And third, your idol from
Okay
showbiz.
po. Ay, maraming salamat po sa tanong. Bakit po ako dapat hangaan? Una-una po sa lahat, mahilig po ako mag-perform, mahilig po akong kumanta, tumugtog ng mga instruments. At bata pa lang po talaga ako, mahilig na akong kumanta. Nung 6 years old pa lang ako. And namana ko po siya sa mga pamilya ko dahil yung buong pamilya ko mahilig kumanta. At through music po, I connect people. I connect with people. Mahilig po akong mag-live sa TikTok and sa Kumu. At yun po.
Okay. Very Gen-Z.
Second question po, sino yung showbiz crush ko? Parang wala pa po eh. Sa akin wala pa po.
Okay. Sorry ha, dahil na yung palang naman namin kayo nakilala. Kaya pwede nyo sabihin yung name nyo bago kayo sumagot. Para,
po.
okay.
Sorry po. Ako po
Okay na yung sagot mo. Sabihin mo na lang yung name mo. Okay. Ikaw ay si?
Chan Martin.
Okay, thank you. Next. Ay, hindi mo pa pala natasagot.
Next question
Sorry.
po eh, yung idol ko. Ang idol ko po si Joshua Garcia. Kasi magaling siyang umarte. And gusto ko siyang gayahin.
And your
Yun lang po.
crush?
Sige po.
Your crush?
Crush po. Wala pa po. So ngayon wala pa. Pero balitaan ko po kayo pag meron na.
Ay, mahirap yan. Mahirap na maging president yan. Susunod sila lahat, puro wala. So, hindi ko i-accept na wala. Yung kahit pa paano nagagandahan ka or something.
Nagagandahan po ako. Kay Andrea Brillantes po.
Okay.
Good answer!
Good answer daw, sabi niya. Papi. Next.
Sige po.
Hello po everyone, I'm Wayne Leonard po. And thank you po for the questions. So, for the first one po, syempre, it's not for me to say if you want to follow me or not. Syempre, it's the person's choice din po. But, what I will say lang po is, I will work my butt off if you follow me. I will build my career for you. I will train as hard as I can, and I will show you that I am worthy of your follow, or for you to follow me. And for my celebrity crush, nagagandaan po ako kay Anthony's ever since. And for my idol po, John Lloyd Cruz po talaga, ever since I was a fan. Yun po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Hello po, ako po si Adam Buck, and maraming salamat po for your question. Yung first question po, definitely, I'm not forcing you to follow us, to follow me. It's definitely your choice. Pero I would like to say na we have been working hard as a batch here at Starburst, and what we've learned through that was a lot of creativity, and we've really put more on discipline. And our most important quote that we've learned from one of our workshops was definitely that talent will get you noticed, pero discipline will keep you booked. So that's what I believe in po. Second question, celebrity crush. Liza Soberano po. Idol, Enrique Hill. No, Ding Dong Dantes, definitely. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Sa voice muna siguro para sunod-sunod yung voice.
Hello po, thank you so much for the question. I am Nico Matulas po. For the first question, I definitely encourage people to follow me because for me po, I've always been a performer. Ever since I was a kid, I love to dance, to sing, and I want to use these talents naman to showcase it to the world and to inspire others also to do the same. And I also want to use my platform to tell stories that matter and also represent my roots, which is Siargao. Because I know that Siargao is known right now for its tourism, but I want to be able to use my platform to tell them the inner stories that are the lives of the locals, even maybe like the folklore, the legends there. I know a lot, and it would be nice to share it with the people. And for my celebrity crush naman po, I would say it's the same as Adam, Liza Sobrano po. Super yeah. And for my idol po is Piolo Pascual because he's such a very versatile actor, so, which I aspire to be. So, thank you.
Hello po, madam. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Diyan pa lang po, dun pa lang sa followers and everything. Kasi nung bata ko, shy guy. More on laro talaga ako ng sports. Kasi hindi ako naging pag-socialize ng tao kasi nahiya ako. Tapos yung medyo natanda na ako, I just wanna step out of my comfort zone na. Or talon sa tulay, tulad na sinabi ni Direk. And then, sabi ko, what if try ko yung move ganito? Tinry ko and look at me now, nandito na ako sa taas. And I want to motivate people to do the same thing that I did. To always step out of your comfort zone. Kasi if you didn't step out of your comfort zone, may stuck ka lang dyan sa baba. Hindi ganun lagi, ha? And then for my celebrity crush, syempre si Poc Wang. Si Poc Wang. Kasi I'm not based on those. I'm more on personality po. Wala ano yung may ganda kung wala namang magandang attitude, di ba po? Ang idol ko naman po si Empoy. Yan, si Empoy kasi po, komedyante po kasi siya. And I love to make people laugh and happy talaga. So, yun po yung sa akin. Salamat.
Yung mukha kong magiging komedyante ka.
So yung first question po, yun po, in-encourage ko din po na i-follow po ako ng tao. Even kahit na hindi pa po ako gaano kagaling sa ngayon. But I'm willing to learn po in every ways, in every roles. And also, I want to see them, I want to show them kung ano yung magiging career ko sa pinasok ko po pagiging isang artist ng Star Wars po. And yung second question po, celebrity crush, Catherine. And yung third po is si Jericho Rosales po.
Yung name yun.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm Spencer Capistrano po.
Okay. So, next.
Siya po si Patrick Ballesteros po. So,
Thank you.
Para sa akin po sa first question, I won't force you to follow me, but marunong po akong sumayaw, kumanta, to model, and to act. I would use my platform and inspire you by my talent and skills. Yun lang po. And sa second question naman po, yung celebrity crush, right? Sasabihin ko po si Andres Mulak. And then, and then sa, ano po yung third question? Yung idol ko po. I would say Miss Dimples Romana and Liza Soberano po. Thank you po.
Your name?
Ay, sorry po. Rahil Gatali po.
Hello po! Caitlin King po. So, thank you po for the question. So, yung question niyo po is, sorry po, can we recall the question lang po, if it's alright? Thank you po.
Yeah, una, bakit kailangan kang hangaan or i-follow ng mga fans? Second, who is your showbiz class? And third, your showbiz idol?
So, sinabi niyo po na sa dami-dami ng artista, bakit kailangan na kami po yung hangaan. I believe po na there's space for everyone naman po. Pero I also believe that I am deserving of admiration because I think all of us naman here po, because here po in Star Wars, we work hard and we train and we don't stop learning and we show you what we've got po talaga. And then, dun po sa second question, ang celebrity crush ko po siguro po si Joshua Garcia. And then, idol ko po is Sabrina Carpenter po talaga. Thank you po!
Hello everyone, my name is Celine David. For the first question po, gusto ko pong malaman ng tao ang storya ko po, and I want to inspire a lot of people because I did not come from a privileged family, but I'm proud to tell everyone na I'm doing my passion. At the same time, I'm helping my family and myself because I'm making myself happy. And gusto ko pong malaman niyo yung story ko, ang story ng buhay ko po.
And for the second question, celebrity crush ko po, I see Donnie Pangilinan po. And ang aking idol ay si Bea Alonso. Thank you so much.
Hello po, I'm Selena Griffin. For the first question, I think that you guys, no, not I think, but I really believe that you guys should support us. Kasi I really believe that our batch, or Block 1, has so much to offer. And we all actually have unique talents and unique strengths, different beauties that we all bring to the table. And so I think that people should look out for that because we are really interesting, I would say. Since yun nga, iba-iba kami ng strengths, iba-iba kami ng skills. And also, I really believe that we've worked hard to be here. And just because we're here, that doesn't mean we'll stop working hard, but it'll give us even more push to work hard pa. Kasi just because we're launched doesn't mean our hard work stops there. But I really believe that moving forward, mas gagalingan pa talaga namin at mas mapapatunayan pa po namin na magagaling po talaga kami and we are worthy of being a part of Starworks po. Ayun. For the second question naman po, my celebrity crush would probably be James Reid. Ayun. And for my idol, definitely Miss Dimples Romana, especially since we got to have a workshop with her. Because she knows herself so well, and since she got to share so much of her life and things that she learned, I was really inspired, and it definitely gave me an even more reason to push myself but to do this even more. So yeah, I was definitely inspired and I would love to work with her one day. Ayun, thank you po.
Hello po, my name is Kisha Serna. Sa first question po, for me po kasi, we as Starworks artists po, we're trained po to be disciplined. And ang motto po talaga namin sa buhay is always be grateful. And we want to spread that po to everyone, that always be grateful in life. And ayun po. With my celebrity crush naman po, si Jacob Elordi. And sa idol ko naman po na artista is si Miss Bea Alonso, and ayun, si Miss Bea Alonso po.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Amo. Sa first question po is, gusto ko pong makita ng mga tao at malaman po nila kung sino talaga si Amo. Is makulit ba to? Mayabang ba to? Pero guys, pag finalo nyo ako, malaman nyo yung tunay na Amo. Matatawa kayo araw-araw. Pag stress kayo, mag-feed lang kayo sa akin, matatawa kayo sa mga ginagawa ko kasi makulit akong bata talaga. And sa second question naman po is, nagagandahan pong artista is si Julia Barreto po. And sa pinaka-idol ko naman po is si Jericho Rosales. Thank you po.
The first question po is, ako naman po, ever since like mga 5 years old ako, lagi na po talaga akong nag-entertain ng mga tao kasi sabi daw po nila very funny daw po ako, pero I don't know. And kahit po nung grade 6 ako, I started performing sa iba't ibang school ng dance competition. Sa sing competition po, parang hindi pa po ako masyadong confident. Pero sa dance po, super duper po. And sa celebrity crush po is si Stefano Mori.
Wow!
Yes po. Tapos sa idol ko po na artista is si Camille Prats po. Thank you po.
Wait lang, ilan taon ka na?
13 po.
13! So hindi mo pa sila inabot, tama ba?
Yes po, pero napanood ko po yung gimmick. Lahat po ng episode, napanood ko po.
Okay.
Thank you po!
Thank you.
Yes, hello po, I'm Carmela Lorzano po. Sa first question po, since parang halos lahat nasabi na nila, gusto ko lang dagdagan na lahat po kami na nandito, iba't iba yung journey namin sa buhay. Like bago pa kami mag-meet, lahat kami iba't iba yung kwento ng buhay namin. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami. And ang gusto ko lang po is maging inspirasyon kami sa ibang tao, sa ibang mga gustong mangarap po na nandito din. So we want to be an inspiration to others po. And ano po yung second po? Celebrity crush po, Papa P. And then sa akin pong idol, Sarah Geronimo po. Kasi siya talaga yung gusto kong maging talaga.
And hello po, I'm Stephanie Razon po.
I want to influence my viewers po on my own unique way po. I want to show them that I'm determined and willing to learn every single day po. And also for my celebrity crush, Enrique Hill po and James Reid. And sa idol ko naman po is Bea Alonso and Julia Barreto.
Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Martina Jicain. And to answer your first question po, personally po, when I look up to a person, I really admire it when they're very determined. And I think that's also something I want to impart with my followers na in life you can get anywhere with determination. And I think that's something that we all have. Yung, sorry for the lack of a better term, but yung pagiging sabik po in this craft. So, yun po. I think that's one of the reasons why our followers should keep in tune with the Starburst.com. And to answer the second question, my celebrity crush would be Enrique Hill po, kasi I grew up watching Liz Kim. And for the third question, my celebrity idol would be Miss Ann Curtis po. Thank you!
Okay.